Today, ladies and gentlemen, right now is the happiest time of your life. How do I know? Because right now, you are alive. As Oscar Wilde said, to be alive is the most amazing thing in the world, as most people only exist. And Oscar Wilde knew how to live. Happiness, friends, is not tipped on us by the bucketload, by the God or gods above. Nor does it come from the universe or putting out healing vibes, calling out for happy vibes, or by having lots of money, the flashiest house in the neighbourhood, the neatest, the cleanest, or the cleverest children. Happiness comes from within. Happiness is an act of will. Decide to be happy now. Henry Ford said, whether you think that you can or you think that you can't, you are right. Every day, say to yourself, today is a happy day. Today, I will be happy. Today, I will smile at every person I see. I will smile before I answer the phone or call anyone. Even smile through the phone. To those who finally answer your call after 37 minutes, 56 seconds after type platitudes such as, your call is important to us. Today we are having an inordinate number of calls. All of our staff are busy on other calls. There will be a waiting time of at least 40 minutes. If you want to hear our privacy policy, go to www.whoopidoo@queensland.gov.au. Day dot each time. Do you prefer? If you prefer, you may go online. Well, now, I never say. And then if you go online, then especially then, even your sons and daughters, IT techie won't be able to connect to us, which is probably why you opted to come late in the first place. Happy days are here again, you know. So smile, damn it, smile. So when a human being finally says, hello, may I help you? I tend to say, while smiling, thank you for getting back to me in 37 minutes and 56 seconds. The pre-recorded message said that the waiting time could be 40 minutes, at least 28 times, maybe 37 times, wasn't it? So thank you. Happy days are here because you got back and beat the 40-minute predicted time delay. Thank you. Could you please fix this for me? I've already entered all the relevant codes and keep smiling. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, let us believe that statement of Henry Ford's with every fibre of our being. Think you are having the happiest time of your life. Believe you are having the happiest time of your life. Remember those famous words of Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. Every morning, smile to yourself in the mirror and say, today I will be happy. Today, I believe I will be happy. So of course I will be happy. We here are all members, family or friends of Powertalk Australia, and we enjoy our meetings. We laugh a lot, we smile a lot, and these are great ways to keep yourself happy. We learn and practice the rules. As Mark Twain said, first you have to know the rules so you know how to bend them. Because we are all part of the Powertalk family. We all work together to make each and every one of us the best possible speaker he or she can be. We want to leave each person here as an adept and astute person at a meeting, knowing the rules so they can enjoy full participation without feeling ambushed. We want all members to be confident and at home with themselves behind the microphone, behind a lectern, or loose on the stage. And now it appears on Zoom. Smiling, laughing, and singing all release feel-good endorphins that actually make us feel better and happier within ourselves. So do hugs. A hug is an acknowledgement that we are loved, appreciated, and missed. This knowledge boosts our feel-good endorphins, So do hugs, licks. And happy people draw others to them. Have you ever been to a party, a gathering, and noticed that a few folk are having a great time? They are the life of the party. You need to be the life of your party. Happiness attracts happiness. Surround yourself with groups of people who lift you up. I have many happy places, but especially every 3 weeks, every 3 weeks I have to will myself to enjoy the visits to the PA hospital and the phlebotomist. But I do. But my favourite Wednesdays. A lunch and a massage with my daughter Madonna, then visiting son David and family, and then, yes, Power Talk. I leave you with these thoughts. Happy days are here. The past was never as idyllic as you think. Today, with all our mod cons, are wonderful. Be thankful for them. And remember Henry Ford's words, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. So think you can. Always think yourself happy.